Hey guys, what is going on? I wanted to talk a little bit more about my tagging method that I showed you guys in the last video. And the reason it works so well, I didn't really explain this, and I really should have explained this at the time. But let me just talk about this real quick. So like I showed you, if you do siterebel.com and then your niche in title Italian scene, okay? The cool thing about this is that Google will automatically add popular keywords to your tagging method, basically. So Italian street scene, for example, they've added a word. Rustic Italian scene, they've added a word. Just follow me for a second, guys. Italian urban scene, etc., scenery, etc. What I'm looking for, I'll be back when I find it. Okay, so I just refined the search by doing in URL shop minus people, and it instantly gave me what I was looking for. I didn't explain this in the last video, but Italian landscape, this is a synonym of Italian scene. But where Google uses something called NLP, which is an algorithm, and it basically means that it can connect. It's a psychological approach that involves analyzing strategies used by successful addition. Okay, sorry, here it is. Natural language processing in AI. Natural language processing, NLP, refers to the branch of computer science, and more specifically the branch of artificial intelligence, or AI, concerned with giving computers the ability to understand text and spoken words in much the same way human beings can. What does this mean? It means that when we use a synonym in Google, it uses NLP AI to create or to add together those things and create these pages. So it's given me Italian landscape because it knows that landscape is a synonym of scene. But Redbubble does not use NLP. That's the really interesting thing here. So we can use Google to find NLP related tags to put on Redbubble. Let me show you what I mean. If I put Italian scene, there are 2,000 results. If I put Italian landscape, there are 8,681 results, okay? And they're completely different designs. So you can see the reason that this is so effective. Another thing you can do is you can do the same thing here. So Italian countryside would be a really good one. Tuscany hills, I guess, would be a really good one. You can also get your tags from here. So let's say that tagging, the best way to tag your design is to search a couple of times. So Italian landscape, and then if you do Italian scene, it'll give me some other ones here, I hope. It actually hasn't, but normally it would. So overall, if you really want to make sure that you nail every single tag, what you want to do is you want to combine search operators with searching on Redbubble itself to make sure that you get every single important tag. That's my design. I didn't even realize that looks terrible on. So actually I saw today that 5 people have been on this, so I really should change that picture. My other design is here. Really interesting, guys. Definitely check this out for yourselves. And yeah, remember that Google uses NLP, so it gives you synonyms, and Redbubble does not use synonyms. Even if you do a slight spelling mistake, Redbubble just takes it literally, okay? So you can see here it says nothing matches your search for Italian scene. If you want to see some really cool information about nothing matches your search for and being able to put this into a search operator, then click the next video now. Peace out.